Hey friends, today is May 1st and I want to give you a quick update on what the property or the venue here looks like. Again, it's a beautiful day today, but looks like we've got a storm coming our way. So let me just turn the camera around here. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is all green. The leaves are all come up. Place is green, beautiful. There's one of my mallard duck, just enjoying his time. And then two of the Peking ducks are there, the white ones there. So yeah, we're just gonna stroll over here. These trees here are crab apple trees and dogwood trees. So these trees actually bloom during the spring. I think I captured some footages where they were all full of blooms. This is back in maybe early April. But yeah, here's the view from the corner of the bridal house, looking out to the pond. So yeah, we'll go ahead and walk through these trees here and go towards the pond here. We still have some mulching to do on these trees here, so hopefully this weekend we'll finish with the project and start mulching all these trees here. But we're gonna go to this maple tree back here, where the swing is at. Yeah, so we used to have 6 mallard ducks here, but 4 of these mallard ducks were attacked by coyotes here, and so I don't know what happened to the other 2, but now we've got a single mallard duck. He's all by himself here, a lonely little guy. And then 2 other Peking ducks here. These 2 have always been together. So here we are under this tree here. This is a beautiful tree. Something looks like something right out of a fairy tale story here. There's a swing and my battery pack down there. So during weddings we would light this whole thing up, and at night there will be lights everywhere on the swing here. So I'm just gonna have a seat here and look out this view here. Yeah, so our pond is actually at a good level right now, because we can walk on that little concrete patch there to feed the fish. Earlier this spring it was flooded. You can see where the dirt line is to where it meets the grass. That's how high it used to be. And then of course my fountain, I found out there was a kink and a ripped on one of the power cables to the fountain, so that's on order. Hopefully I can get that fixed by the end of the week and get that fountain running up again. But let's walk down this way here, past this arbor, and go towards this side of the property here. This tree is a little late bloomer. It's another flowering tree, a blossom tree here. It's a late blossom, so it's slowly coming its way. But this tree here is a magnolia. It's a magnolia tree here that has pink and purple blooms. But as you can see, all the blooms have been spent. There's quite a few blooms left, but that's it. Like, you see all the brown flowers, but yeah, it's past their season. But yeah, we've got a few pink, purple blooms left. So I should have recorded it earlier in April. But we'll walk this way here, and here is the field from earlier. This year it's nothing but wheat. So last year was soybean. This year is wheat. Beautiful field. Right now it's about, I would say, 3 feet tall. Give it maybe 2 more weeks and it'll be 5 feet tall. Be pretty. But here's a view from this side, looking towards the house and the pond from this angle. And there's the little gravel road entrance into our property, into the venue. But we'll walk this way. I've got a few updates I want to show you guys too. But yeah, this field is pretty. It's a pretty field. And it goes all the way around to the tree line there and back around the tree line. But a few of the updates are on this side over here of the property. As you can see, that wall right there, that's new. So that's still in the works. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 walls there. That's still in production, or still not completed yet. But we'll go back there in a minute here. Let me show you what we've done over here on this side. So we started mulching these trees here, but we're not done yet. And I think we overdid it. Looks like we might have to take that volcano look out of there so that the roots don't rot. But on this side, there's the Kubota. We just got that about 3 months ago. Got it brand new for the farm to start tilling the land. First time owner, so yeah, I was definitely excited to be on a tractor. But as you can see, in between each of these posts, we've planted some limelight hydrangeas. So I want to say we planted about maybe 30 of these here, 2 in between each post. So hopefully we will get some gorgeous blooms this summer all the way to the end. That's gonna be pretty. So this is our first year on the ground. They've been here for about 2 weeks now. I'm still working on a drip system to get some water to these guys here. But yeah, looking forward to the beautiful blooms. So here's the view. Here's a view from the parking here, and the entrance into the venue. As you can see, yeah, it's green now. Everything's coming up beautifully. The little light rain is coming down. But yeah, everything's coming up. And these trees here are crepe myrtles. So we've got a few hydrangeas on this side here as well. And then of course the posts that I put up, the 4 posts and the lights, that was completed a while ago. So now at night it's beautiful. You can actually see the people around you. So we got the Jack Daniel barrels and potted some flowers in there. Yeah, but I was saying, yeah, now you can actually enjoy your company and, you know, just fellowship out there and see the people who you're with and enjoying their time there. So it's beautiful, yeah. So that's the entrance into the venue. So our venue, we like to keep it at 200 people max, so that it's very intimate. We don't want to go beyond that. 170 would be perfect, but 200 we would do for a banquet style. And here's a view looking towards this way here. Got the lavenders all coming out, blooming, so beautiful. Smells great. And again, yeah, this is a crepe myrtle tree, so this is actually one of the faster growing ones out of all those. It's gotten quite a lot bigger than the other ones, but these will bloom. White flowers. This is from last season, so I will definitely, those are the seeds from the flowers. I'll definitely capture some of these so you guys can see once they start blooming. But let's go this way here. So this is something new that we're working on here. This is the wall. We've got some planters and the benches back there. It's not complete yet. The door, that was a mistake, so we're still working on a door where we can get a natural looking, natural color door. So if you look on this way, this is where the bridal party, the groom, will be standing on this side over here, patiently waiting for his bride to come through the double door. So before we didn't have this, so it was a struggle to hide the bride back there. But with this, it works out perfectly. And they can also have their ceremony over here too once it's completed. We still got some planters that need to put up front, and some flowers, some plants, all that needs to be out here. So like I said, we're about 70% complete. And these benches here, they're all natural colors, so that's what we wanted. There will be some plants going in these planter boxes here, and you see where the dirt is there. There will be stone pebbles, just like this over here on this side. So this side is almost complete. Yeah, it would look like that, and it's gonna replicate on the other side. And then back here we've got some more planters, and we've got some plants that we need to put back here as well. So here's a double door that we would open from this side. Let me just open this so you guys can get a view. Rain's coming down now, so yeah, this is where the bride will walk through. But yeah, this is one of the big projects that we're working on this year. So we like to have it completed by maybe, I would say, hopefully 2 weeks from now, it should be all completed. And once that's completed, I'll give you guys an update tour as well. But yeah, the bridal party would be hiding from this side. So the groomsmen will be on this side or the other side, and the bridesmaid will be on the other side or this side, vice versa. So on this side here, we're still working on weeding and mulching on this side here. So the goal is to have this completed by this week. I've got a friend of mine from work who's coming in to help us mulch and create this pathway. So this is the pathway. The start of the pathway is going to come through here with the arch and arbor, and it curves all the way through to those 2 trees back there that leads into the bridal house. So I'm excited. I'm definitely excited. So yeah, lots of changes and lots of updates going on here at Willow Creek Farm Center. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this tour. Here's the entrance right here, and there are the flowers that we've got in place. Definitely need some more flowers, and more flowers are coming their way. But here's a circular view back all the way around. Alright, so that is it. That's the tour for today, May 1st. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Questions, comments, post below. I'll try to give you guys maybe a monthly update. And with all the weddings coming up, I'll try to go record every single wedding and post it on here so that you guys can see what we do for a living, how we run things around here with the weddings, wedding party, all the stuff like that. Alright guys, so I appreciate it. Rain's coming down hard now. I'll catch you guys later. So thank you for watching. Alright, take care.